Hey there, Snapchat users. In today's video, we'll be discussing a full guide on how to allow Snapchat to access your camera. If you're facing issues with Snapchat not being able to access your camera, or if you want to enable camera access for the first time, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open your phone settings. You can usually find the Settings app on your home screen or in the app drawer. Look for the gear or cogwheel icon and tap on it to open the settings. Step 2. Once you're in the settings, navigate to the section where AP Permissions or Permissions Manager is located. The exact location of this section may vary depending on your phone's make and model. Look for options like Apps, Absent Notifications, or Privacy. Step 3. Scroll through the list of installed apps and find Snapchat. Tap on it to access the Snapchat app settings. Step 4. Within the Snapchat app settings, look for the Permissions or Permissions Manager option. Tap on it to open the Permissions menu. Step 5. In the Permissions menu, locate the Camera option and ensure that it is enabled or toggled on. This allows Snapchat to access your device's camera. By following these simple steps, you can allow Snapchat to access your camera, enabling you to capture photos and videos within the app. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.